what are something tools that'll actually make your trading easier, like between like besides the phone and the laptop? In all honesty, from my experience, besides a tablet, that's about it. I mean, I've tried using smaller forms of laptops like Galaxy tabs and well, not I don't think it was a Galaxy. I forgot what it was called, but whatever. But overall, that's the best thing that's really worked for me. I mean, you can use like an iPad or Galaxy tablets, but that's about it. Smartwatches, maybe Apple's version of it might work, but I don't think so for anything else. I've tried the Galaxy watches. I've looked and asked customer service to see if they had apps to support MetaTrader 4 on the watches, so you can like walk around, manage it on your wrist if you want to do that. I mean, it would be convenient just to kind of sit in the classroom, or maybe you're at work or whatever you're doing, and oh, am I making any money? How far is it? Did it hit my take profit yet? Where is it going? Without having to pull my phone out of my pocket, look through everything. I'd rather just have that convenience right there if I can. But yeah, they haven't made that app available to like the Galaxy watches. But if you want to use your phone, your laptop, you can do it. Google Chrome, no, I mean the Chromebook. Yeah, the Chromebook. You can use it, but it's going to be just like the phone. Well, not the phone, but like the Galaxy tablet version. It's not going to be like the MetaTrader 4 on your computer. It's going to be in the form of a tablet, and it's going to be harder to use because of that. And even harder, you can't exactly use a mouse unless you have some sort of extension. But yeah, I have the Chromebook as well. That's like a spare when I'm like out and about, and yeah, it's so much harder. I'm mainly using the touchscreen anyway, so I might as well have like a Galaxy tablet. So I don't use it for trading. I mean, I use it for more basic stuff. But yeah, as far as tools, your laptop and your phone is going to be the only thing that really works for you. So how to make that work with you? Just get to a point you can actually make your trading easier. Learn as much as you can about trading. Get to a point you can read the chart and understand what's happening. So, and then analyze it from your phone so well that it doesn't matter if you're on the computer or the phone anyway. So, and at the same time, plan it out so well that you could just have like a take profit, stop loss. You're protecting your assets anyways. You don't have to really look at it. I mean, look at it later, let it run through the day. If you're a long-term type trader, I mean, it would make it easier that way. But yeah, and then shorter-term traders, you're going to be on constantly glued to the chart anyways. If you're, well, not shorters, I mean scalpers. But if you have any more questions about trading or well, anything about trading, feel free to click the link in the description. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this.